Hello, parents. My name is Austin Coleman. I'm one of the school counselors here at Creighton. My caseload consists of students in all three grades who have 504 plans and IEP plans. Many of you may have already had a meeting with me for a 504 review. If it's coming up, then I'll be in touch about when that is. But feel free to reach out to me for any concerns you may have, whether it be accommodations or needs that your students you feel like they need a little more help in some areas. Typically, I can pinpoint who do we need to go to make that happen. Also, every week we're posting guidance lessons on our webpage. So we have an RTI time set aside weekly, but if your student can't make that for whatever reason, I'm going to start posting those lessons on my Teams page in case they want to come back and check it out later on. Best way to get in touch with me is email austin, austin.coleman@richland1.org. Phone number is 738-7224 extension 3116. And I go to the office, try to get in there every day, if not every other day, to check my voicemails. But the best way to catch me is email. As you can see, I'm working from home most of the time. I think that's about it. Hope you have a good year. I know it's a trying year, but we'll get through this together. Look forward to talking to you at a later date. Bye.